Hello everyone. On behalf of IIM Visakhapatnam and SWAM platform, I am welcoming you all for this 8-week course called Data Driven Marketing Decision Making. In these 8 weeks, during this 3-credit course, we will understand marketing with the help of data. That how you can take marketing related call with the help of data, facts, figures. Data could be qualitative, data could be quantitative. So, we will understand how to take marketing call with the help of facts, figure and data. When we talk about the course flow goes like this. So, first week we will understand exploring customer needs. Second week we will go through segmentation, targeting and positioning. Third week we will understand product analytics, following pricing analytics, place analytics, promotion analytics, new age marketing analytics and measuring customer response. So, when you will see this content, it looks like marketing. So, marketing start with exploring customer need and objective of marketing to satisfy those needs profitably. So, we will understand how to explore those customer need and then how you come up with offering to satisfy those customer needs. This is all about we will learn during this course. But the only difference is that where in marketing we used to come up with different strategy based on concepts and theory, here we will also understand how to take this decision practically based on data. So, first we will understand in this week how to explore customer need. Once you explore your customer need, now on the basis of those distinctive need and then demography, geography or their behavior, we will divide into different segment. Then we will target them, which segment you will go for. You might go for segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, all the segment based on profitability, measurability, reachability, whatever criteria you are following. And then how you will position the product in the mind of the customer or those segments customer which you want to target. Now you identify okay, I will go with these type of customer. Now you have to design your offerings. When we talk about marketing offering, it's nothing but 4 P's. You have to design your product, you have to set your price, you have to come up with the distribution channel that how you will reach to those customers and finally how you promote the product so your message so reach to these targeted customer or potential customer. Once you come up with these all offerings, currently due to technology, some new strategies started coming in. We will try to understand those strategies also, which now marketers are following or coming up with to satisfy the customer needs. Once you come up with all the offerings, you are very much interested to know how customer respond on it. They are happy, they are not happy, they are satisfied, dissatisfied, loyal, trustworthy, not trustworthy. So, we will understand that how to understand or measure those customer response once you are coming with this offering. So, this course is all about this, how to explore the need and how to satisfy the need and how to measure that they are satisfied or not. During this 8 weeks, in every class, I will use some of the data, be it qualitative and quantitative, and we will do either on Microsoft Excel or R software. In today's class, I will also tell you how to download R&R Studio if you are not aware of. We will also share the link with you from where you can download R&R Studio. We will also understand different methods of exploring customer need. And once this class is over, we will share some of the data sets with you on which you will do the similar sort of analysis and submit in the form of assignment. So, that is how when you will do on the other data set, your learning will go to the next level and you will understand how we can do it. Now, in this week, we will understand about exploring customer need. Here I want to say most of the time it could be your potential customer, because sometime you want to launch a product. So, you do not have your customer, but you have potential customer. So you want to understand potential customer need. But in some cases, you are having product, you are having existing customer, but you want to do some innovation, then you want to understand how customer needs has been changed during this 10 years or 20 years or 5 years from the launch of the product. So it's customer exploration of the need is not only when you are launching a product, but at different stages of product life cycle too. So we'll understand how to do it. When we talk about the process of exploring customer need, first you need to understand what are the different method of data collection. So first you have to collect the data. Mostly when you are want to explore something, philosophy is saying that your research method should be exploratory in nature. So we'll go with exploratory study, perform some of the exploratory study to understand customer needs. There are different qualitative studies or method of data collection are there in this marketing domain and the research domain. We will understand one by one, and then I will tell you how to analyze those data which you got through these different methods which is available here. So first, very much common method and very popular method of qualitative data collection, which is very much apt for exploring customer need, is focus group discussion. Focus group discussion is a method where homogeneous set of 6 to 8 people or 6 to 10 people sitting together and discuss on a specific topic that we call focus group discussion. My name said focus means it should be in a specific topic and they should make a discussion in the group. It is very much different from debate, and if I will ask you what is difference between debate and focus group discussion, answer will be very simple. In debate, the people is having different beliefs, different orientation, sometimes different demographics, different socio-psychographic characteristics they are having. That's why there is differences in view and discussion become debate. So that is difference between generally discussion and debate. But here, when you are doing focus group discussion, you should make sure that these people should come from similar sort of background, having similar belief, having similar knowledge. I will give you a simple example. I am giving a stereotype statement, but for example, if I want to understand use of social media platform in education, and in your focus group, one person is having 18 years of age or 18 to 20 years age, one person 60 years of age, they have different beliefs towards social media platforms. So might possible that one type of person say, no, social media is very bad, it's wastage of time, we should not include into the education. But same time, some other type of person say, no, it's very much useful, and they will involve in one debate. And moment it will be debate, people try to come with some of the logic and they will deviate from the main discussion. They will give some of the logic which sometime making sense, sometime not making sense. So when you are doing focus group discussion, you must ensure that the discussion should be happen on specific topic among 6 to 10 people, and their homogeneity must be there in terms of demographic, socio-psychographic or behavioral pattern. That's why organizing focus group discussion is not very easy. You can do it offline, online, but you should ensure that this discussion should always be on a specific topic. If there is some deviation, possibility is there. When 6 people or 8 people are talking among each other, there might be that they are deviating from one topic to another. Their moderators play important role. So as a moderator, you or your team should ensure that they are talking on a specific topic. So that's how people are doing focus group discussion. I will not spend much time into it because these are the very much famous data collection method and most of the people are aware about it. I will also share some of the article related to that, so you will understand how to do it. But end of the day, when you are doing focus group discussion, you make sure that you are recording it. If sometime your panel is saying no, you can't go for recording, in that case, you should make sure that moderator is making notes, what they are saying. So there are two options. When recording is available, and that is preferable way, that go for recording. If not available, then you have to take the notes. Then the second method is called interview. There are different type of interview you can take. You can go for online interview, offline interview, but generally there are three types of interview which is very much famous into the market. Call, structured interview, unstructured interview, and semi-structured interview. When we talk about unstructured interview, it means, I will start with structured interview first. When you start with structured interview, generally when you are new into the research, you are not very much expert into research, your question is ready with you. So what happened, I have 6 questions which I will ask to every respondent. Like when you go to the interview panel is asking similar question, what is your name, why you want to do MBA, why you want to do from this institution, what is your background, tell me your hobbies, and every interview is coming, I will ask the same question. That we call structured interview. I will tell you the pros and cons of type of methods. Second we call unstructured interview. In unstructured interview, what is happening? I have some question ready with me. I will ask 2 questions to you. What are the factors affecting this adoption of X technology? You will give some answer. For example, you said privacy. Then my question will that, how privacy? What are the fact, how you are considering privacy is important in this? Can you tell some of the experience? So my question, follow-up question will be based on your answer. So I have some question ready with me, but some of the question I will ask based on your answer, whatever answer you are giving. Third column structure, where I have no question. I'll go to you and I'll ask, introduce yourself. You introduce, and then I will start asking question, and as follow-up question, then question based on your answer, we go for it. There are pros and cons in all 3 methods. When you go with unstructured interview, you will get quality data because you are asking the question based on the responses you are getting. But you must have expertise on it, because sometimes you have respondent send something and you are not able to ask a specific question, then interview will end. Whereas in the case of structured interview, when you are going for structured interview, the problem is that you have a specific set of questions. Irrespective whatever respondent is saying, you have to ask the similar question. So some of the time you will not get the better insights of it. So these are the, but it's easy method, you know, structured method is very easy method, it's very safe method that your question is ready with you. You don't have any risk that question will not be there and I will not able to ask the question. Whereas, so this is the trade-off you have to take. And that's how again, when you are taking the interview, please request them for the recording. If they are not saying, if sometime respondent will say that, okay, you recording is not allowed, then what you have to do? You have to make the notes again. So this is the process of this. Third method, which is very much common, called observation method. So generally in retailing, in some of the industry, what people are doing, they are observing where customers are going, what they are purchasing, what they are talking. I will give you several examples. When you are going to mall, sometime it happens that they are giving you free samosa or some of the freebies. You have it, and when you are coming out, someone is following and observing you, what you are saying. You might say it was very tasty, or you might say it was worst. So they will understand what customer response on this, and they get that with the help of observation, they will understand your view, your need, what you are looking. Sometimes you can think, okay, if this could be happen, this will make this product better. So accordingly, they try to understand your need, that what you are looking for from that product. And that's how they are collecting data. Currently, observation method is very easy because of this availability of camera. You put camera somewhere in your place, and then you check that how customers are responsive. Next method is very old method called ethnography method. Ethnography method is very critical method. I will share my paper only where I have tried to use it. How ethnography works. The idea behind ethnography study that you will go to a specific, so when you want to know a specific culture, value, beliefs which affect the usage rate and usage pattern, you need to go to those people, try to be the part of those community and see how they are responding, how they are using, and accordingly you can get the customer need. The genesis of ethnography is very simple. When you are with your known person, you are more honest compared to unknown people because of social desirability bias. So first you need to be the part of those people, go there, part of their community, and then you observe or you discuss that what your need is. They will give you honest opinion. And most of the brands are doing ethnography study. But the only challenge in ethnography study is that when you have to send your team, it will require 6 months because one day you can't be available to the community. So it will require time, it requires effort, it requires money, it requires resources, and that's how some brands are finding difficulties to collect the data through ethnography study. But it's best study to understand the community views, the specific community views and their beliefs and culture, how it's affecting the purchase behavior or usage rate. I'll give you a simple example. When you want to, for example, my objective to understand the employees burnout behavior in the call centers. So by sitting in the office, it's very difficult for me to understand why the employees of call centers are burning out. So what is the best way? I'll go to the call center, I'll join them for 6 months and I will see that how the working condition is, what they are feeling, and then I can actually come to know what is the reason for burnout behavior in this call center industry. So that's how this ethnography study works. But currently, doing ethnography study, as I told you, very difficult. It required resources, time, money, efforts. So there are some alternative methods is also there, and which is very famous method which is coming in. It's called netnography method. Netnography methods are those methods where you are doing same ethnography study, but on online platform. I'll give you example. On internet, on social media, on digital platform, we have different community, right? Community of developer, community of environmentally friendly people, community of mobile banking user, community of X, community of Y, community of Z. For example, I want to understand green purchase behavior. I will join community of green purchase. And then I will observe what they are posting. I did one study, I can tell you from my experience. I wanted to know the customer experience or what customer is feeling toward mobile banking. What I did? I joined different group on social media platform and digital platform called mobile banking app, mobile banking users. I went there. I see what people are discussing. Sometime when you are joining the community, you will get very much varied response. So what I did? I put one question. I am new into the mobile banking. I am using online banking. Should I move from online banking to mobile banking? Please suggest, share your good and bad experience. I got several comments on that post. You should use or not use. People used to share their story, and that is the honest review. And that's how I understand their value, beliefs, their usage pattern, and that data I use for the analysis. That we call ethnography method. Ethnography is nothing but internet plus ethnography. Now there are two methods are there. Another method is called critical incident technique. What is critical incident technique? You put customer into a critical incident in critical situation, because idea behind this, when customer will be or respondent will be in critical situation, they will be honest. So we are very much honest when we are in critical situation. So that is the idea. So you put your customer in a specific critical situation and you observe that how they are responding in that, and that's how you can explore the need. I will give another example I did in one of my study. Generally when you are writing reviews, either you are very much dissatisfied or you are very much satisfied. So I use those dissatisfaction and satisfaction as critical incident. So I had critical incident where either they are satisfied or they are dissatisfied. So when you are satisfied and dissatisfied, what you are giving? You are giving ranks or ratings. 1 rating for dissatisfaction and 5 rating for satisfaction. What I did? I collected the reviews for a specific product, only reviews which is 1 rating or 5 rating, because that was the critical incident for me, dissatisfaction or highly delighted, and that's how I collected those reviews and I understand what customers' view are about these services which we call mobile banking. Sometimes we are using online reviews also. Nowadays customers are very vocal on online platform. On online platform they are sharing their views, they are in the form of reviews, their feedback, what they feel, what they get, and what things are happening. So in that case we are going to those online review platform, fetch those review and use for the data analysis. Other than the different methods of qualitative data in collection, it could be pictorial method, thematic appreciation test, word association, sentence completion, but these are important 7 methods which marketers are using to collect the response. The only thing you have to take care in all those methods, either you record it or you must have text data. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for analyze. Second thing, whenever you are asking some question, this question should not be close-ended. For example, if I will ask, are you using mobile banking? What answer I will get? Yes or no. And what to do with this data? Rather than asking this question, we should ask, why you are using mobile banking? What factors motivate you to use this? What are the enablers of it? What are the inhibitors of it? So if I am asking this question, I will get more concrete need and it will be the best way to explore their need. So these are the different methods you can go with. Now, if you are getting the data in text, for example, in case of ethnography, you will get the data in text. In critical incident technique, you will get data in text. Ready-madely, online reviews may will get data in text. But some of the method like focus group discussion, interview, observation, when you are recording through camera, or ethnography, when you are making notes or sometime recording it, you will get data in audio or video. So first we will understand the second process. First, once you collect this data, how to convert into the text if it is not in text. If your data is in text, perfectly fine, no need to worry. But if your data is in audio form and video form, what you have to do? You have to convert this data in the form of text, and this process is called transcription process. I'll tell you how to go for transcription process. So what you need to do, you should go for any of the Microsoft Word document. You will go to Microsoft Word document, online Microsoft Word document, or you can open Microsoft Word document also. There is an option here, can you see, called dictate. So when I am seeing here, there is an option called dictate. We'll go to this option called dictate. In this option, there is an option called transcribe. When you go to dictate option, there is an option called transcribe. I'll go to transcribe. Now you did some of the recording. either in the form of audio or video. You can change the language also, which language you are talking about. There are different, some of the Indian language also they have added into it, like Tamil, Telugu, then Hindi and other language of India they have added into it. So there is option called upload audio. You go to upload audio, but wherever your recording is, for example, my recording is on desktop, I will go to desktop, this is my recording and I will open it and it will start getting uploaded over there. It will take some time and it will be uploaded. Once it will be uploaded, it will directly translate this all audio or video into the text format, and that's how we are converting audio and video into text, and this process is called transcription. So again I am repeating, when you are having data in form of audio or video, you have to convert into the text, and this process is called transcription. Now when you go for transcription, you have different options. Can you see? When you click on add to document, it could be only text, so only text will come, called transcript, what they are saying. It could be with speaker, means when you have asked question, speaker 1, speaker 2, on the basis of voice modulation they will check it. Or you can check with timestamps when someone said something like this, or you can use both with speaker and timestamps. So it's sometimes you have asked 5 questions and you want to analyze those all 5 response separately, so definitely you will go by speaker. So you have your question, now that answer for other 10 interviews you will combine at one place and you will analyze it. So that's how this process is happening. Sometimes you have taken only one question, then what you can do, you put only just text, and that's how that transcript is ready. So this process is called transcription. Once you are ready with transcript, so now your transcript is ready. Third and very much important process, how to understand or get customer need from this. This process is called text mining. Text mining is very simple process. I will explain you how you will go with it. So once transcription is happened, we will go with text mining. I will tell you the process of text mining simply, and then we will do the text mining in R. So when I am talking about text mining is nothing but identifying a specific keyword with their frequency. For example, I have this statement with me, I am a boy. I am just giving an example. I am a boy. Ram is also a boy. You are not a good boy. I am good boy. So I am just giving an example that this is my transcript. It could be like this, right? I have different statement is written here. What text mining is? I want to know, I am very much interested to know which are the specific keywords is coming how many times. For example, I taken the interview related to mobile banking, and every customer was talking about password, 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 and password come 40 times. What does it mean? Password is very much important construct, and that is the customer are looking for. So when you are launching any of the mobile banking application, you should take care of privacy and security. So that's how these things are happening. So we'll understand how to understand it. Now, for when I am saying the text mining, what they will do, they will identify I, first keyword, first specific keyword I am having called I, then M, then A, then boy, then Ram, then is, then also, then A coming twice. So they will identify this is not unique now. So they will put 2, boy, you are not, again A is coming thrice, good, first time is coming, good, boy, boy is there, so twice, I is there, twice, M is there, twice, good is there, twice, boy is there, That's how they will give you the data. In this text mining, most important factor is Y, then A, then I, M, good. So on the basis of their frequency, you can decide which are the keyword is very much important in these transcript which you are having. It's very easy for me because I did only for 4 liners. Think of situation when you are having 200-page transcript, and it is very common because you will take focus group discussion which lasts around 2 hours. You will take different interview, 10 to 12 interviews, which lasts, every interview lasts for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So a transcript will 100, 200 pages. How easy or difficult it is for doing that? It's very difficult to do that because you have to read document and you will forget that which word is coming, which word is not coming. So in we will use some of the software to do the text mining, and we will understand how to explore the need from this text mining data. So now as we understand, these are the method for exploring data to understand customer need and how to convert into the text. Third thing we will understand in this is called how to mine it. So we'll understand how to mine this text data which we are having. So for that you need to work on RStudio. You required R and RStudio for that. I will tell you the process. So if you don't have RStudio with you, we can do together and simultaneously you can use it. So when we talk about R and RStudio, how to download it? It's open source software which you can download and you can use freely. So first you need to type download R. So I'll go download R. Can you see there is a website which we call CRAN. So we will have website called CRAN. So we'll go for CRAN website where you will find this. Can you see CRAN? And you have to, if your system OS is Windows, you click on Windows and it will get downloaded. If your system is MacBook, then what to do? You search download R for MacBook. I will share these instructions also on the pre-read. Can you see R for MacBook? As for your MacBook operating system, you can download that. So once you download it, just go to download. This is my R 4.4.1 Win extension file. Just I will click on it. Once I will click on it, language is English, okay. Then next. This is the setup file where you want to put your setup. Next, and it will start putting into your system. Very simple process to download the R. Once you downloaded the R, now we need RStudio also. RStudio is nothing but extension of R where you are getting some of the interactive feature. So again we will go to Google or any of the search engine you can go. You type download RStudio. So we'll type download RStudio. Go there. There is a website called POSIT. Can you see here different options are there? Windows option, MacBook option, Ubuntu option. So my system is Windows. So I will go for extension file. You have to just click here and it will get downloaded. Now once it get downloaded, just click here. Again it will be extension file. Just click over there. In my case they are asking for password, so I am giving me password. In your system it will not come. So this is asking for password to me, I am just giving. In your case it will not ask. In my case it's asking because this is institute system and they have put this security into it. Check it. Need to check it's working or not. Some so I will check that how this password, there is some problem in this password. I'm just checking it how to go to this administrator one. So once you click on it, there is this window will pop up. You have to click on next, then install. It will get installed into your system. So first you need to install R and then you need to install RStudio. This text mining can do on any of the statistical tool. It could be Python, it could be R, it could be Orange. So these are open source software. There are some paid software also there like NVivo, Atlas TI. I am just telling the name. I am not promoting any of the brand, but just I am telling the name, the software which is available for doing the text mining. So these are the different software which is available for the text mining. We will use R in this course as I have already told you during the introduction. We will use Microsoft Excel for some of the analysis and we will use R for some of the analysis. Here I will use R for text mining. I will take you through a scratch. First go to the search and now search RStudio. So first we will get RStudio. We are getting this RStudio app. We will click here. So once we will click, it will come here like this. They will ask some question. Press OK. When you open R, can you see I am getting this 3 quadrant. This first quadrant we call R console, second quadrant called environment, third quadrant called output file. Now we have to make fourth quadrant or which we call first quadrant, which is R script. To make R script, can you see here there is a plus sign here. Just go there and there is a drop down menu. From drop down menu, we will click on R script. So now my fourth quadrant is ready. So R is having 4 quadrant here. First quadrant talk about the code which you will write here, that will work like a script. This code will run in console which simple. So when you will open R, it looks like same this second quadrant. Third quadrant where your environment all data set will be there, and fourth quadrant is output or package quadrant where your all output will be visible. These are the 4 quadrant on the RStudio. We will directly go to how to do text mining. For doing text mining, first you need to upload the data. How to upload the data? Can you see there is option here called in environment called import data set. So we will go to import data set. What I did, I will tell you what I did in terms of data. I divided my data into this. So I will give the example what I want to do. So what I did for the understanding purpose, I went to one of the hotel website and I took the reviews given by the customer. So I told you that online review is one of the method. So I had taken the reviews of one of the hotel on some of the online platform. So I had taken 115 reviews. Now I want to analyze these reviews कि when someone is going to the hotel, what their expectations are and what they are in need of. So that was my objective. I wanted to understand customer need in hospitality or hotel industry. That's why I went to those websites, I fetched some of the data, and now I will try to understand that what customers needs are. So this is simply I copied and paste the reviews from those website to this particular Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. So I'll go to RStudio now. You understand the problem? I want to know in hospitality industry or in hotel industry what customer needs are. And that's why to understand those needs, I went to the website, I fetched some of the customer reviews to understand what are the factors which is very important for them to take the decision that I should select X hotel, Y hotel or Z hotel. So that is my objective and that need I want to explore. So for that you go to import data set. In import data set you will get the option called from Excel. So you click on from Excel. If you don't have a read Excel, they will ask, do you want to install these packages now? If read Excel is there in your system, they will not ask this question, but they are asking, then you say yes. So what they will do, this will install one of the packages called read Excel, which is required for reading Excel file from the open source called CRAN, and that will come in your system. Now what I did for doing this analysis, I have created the code and I'll share with you also in the study material form. So once this is over, your browse, this window will come once you will click over there. Can you see there is option called browse option? Click on the browse. And wherever your data is, my file name is text, so I open it. Now here you have to understand one thing, name is text, sometime your data is in different sheets, sheets 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So here by default they will take sheet 1, but sometime your data in sheet 2, you can select sheet 2 also. Sometime you want to work on a specific data set range, you can select range here also. First row is a name. Sometime your data set look like this, that first row is the label, right? For example, roll number and then marks, and then roll number is coming and marks is coming, quite possible. In that case, you must use label, but in my case, my first data is starting from first row, so I don't have any label, so I'll deselect it or uncheck it, call first row as a name. So it will start from first row and just click on import. Can you see now this same 115 reviews are there in this Excel. Now your view is coming, so you should close it. Now we have uploaded the data. When you will upload the data, can you see here, in case I am finding 115 observation and one variable, what does it mean? It means you have one column and 115 rows, means total 115 reviews I am having which I want to analyze. This number can go till million or trillion also, whatever data sets you are having. Now we need to understand how to run this analysis. For making this process easy, I will also share this file with you as a pre-read. I have created all the codes. So what you need to do, you have to copy all the codes and directly paste into your R console. And we will run one by one so you can understand how it will go for. Some of the codes I will use, some of the codes we will understand together, that how you can go with. So what I did, I'll share codes with you. That code you can use ready-madely. So what we will do, we will use those code for analysis. And here, can you see, your codes are coming. So I have copied the code and paste into this R console. So I have copied the code and paste into R console. Now, whenever you are doing any of the analysis, you need some of the packages. For doing a specific set of analysis, you require specific packages. For doing text mining, generally you require 4 packages. And I have given the name, install and load the required packages. Whenever you are putting hashtag, it's become instruction rather than code or function. So for text mining you need, can you see install.packages TM, install.package snowball C, install.package word cloud, install.package RCloud Rover. So either you click here or I will tell you the easiest option for this. You go to package here, you go to package here in 4th quadrant, you go to install and just the CRAN will come, repository CRAN, and you search TM, TM is coming and install it. So first what you have to do, either you run this code install.packages TM, but sometime remembering code is very difficult, sometime in R is case sensitive also. So if your install will be capital, it will not run. If T will be capital, it will not run because it's case sensitive platform. So for that you can use this function which is given in RStudio. In R you have to run the code. So you have to run the code install.packages TM. So my objective is that you need some of the packages when you have to run a specific analysis. For text mining we required 4 packages called TM, Snowball C, Word Cloud and RCloud Rover. Till the time this red sign is here called stop, you can't go for the next level. So till the time you have to wait when this red sign will go off. Now red sign is not there, means my TM is installed. Once you install it, you have to activate it also, means now you have downloaded or installed the packages from open source to your system. But now what you have to do? You have to make it active on your current library. So what you will do? You go to search option, search TM, and one checkbox is coming, just click here. It will be done. Now same thing you have to do for Snowball C. So go to install, Snowball C, install it, it will come. Once it come, you go to search again, Snowball C, and just click it here. Then third option, third package, Word Cloud, install and search. RCloud Rover no need to install because this is the dependent file of Word Cloud. So you search RCloud Rover. Can you see RCloud Rover already ticked into here? So these are the 4 packages you must have in your system when you want to do text mining. Next time when you will do it, so the only you need to search from here, no need to install, because once you install it's come to your system. Next time just you need to activate it, and when I am saying activate it means you have to active in your library. When I am saying active in your library, you have to just click over there. Moment you will click, it will come over there. So just next time when you will do analysis, when you are closing the system, you are doing the analysis again, you have to just search these 4 packages and you have to check there, and then your job is done. This process is called packages. Without this, system will not run. So for text mining we are having TM, for text streaming or cleaning we are having Snowball C, for word cloud generation we have Word Cloud, and for color pattern we have RCloud Rover. So these are the 4. Now as I have told you, my reviews are there in different columns and different rows. So what we need to do, we need to check, we need to first create bag of words which we call corpus. Corpus means they will identify unique word and they will create all the unique word at one place. And after that process, as I told you, as I have given the previous example, 4 liners are there, every line there are some unique words. So first you will create that corpus of those words, unique words, and then we will understand how we can know the frequency. So first I am using this sign docs. This sign is also works for is equal to, so alternatively can use is equal to also. Docs is equal to corpus vector source, and what is my source? Your file name text. Here one thing you have to take care of. This is case sensitive platform. So you have to, if T is capital, you have to put T is a capital. So I am putting T is capital EXT and run it. Can you see docs is coming here, list of 1. So now I got a list of 1 where all of the keywords are there, which is there in my text data, which is nothing but reviews which we have taken from one of the website or hotel website. Now this process, I will explain you this process, term document matrix. So what I am specifying the machine, you create a term document matrix from this bag of words in other sense. You have to create a term document matrix, means you have to identify unique term and name this as a term. Then you save is as a matrix. So function I am using matrix is equal to as dot matrix term. And then I ask them to sort it row sum matrix. Row sum means what happened? It will see the frequency, how many times someone is coming, and in decreasing order. What does it mean? It will give us the keyword which is coming frequently, that will come first. Keyword which we are coming the less frequent time, they will come in last. That's how they will do. And end of the day, I want to create a table out of it matrix, because end of the day I want to see the data in table, where the table name is key. So this side we are putting names. So name is key. This sign is equal to data dot frame. Data dot frame we are using for table creation. So we are creating table here, and we have two columns. First column called word, where name of that sort which we have created sorting that matrix, and in frequency second column is frequent in which the sort is coming. So first column is name column and second column is the frequency column that I am getting. Then I will run this 4 liner. So select this 4 line from 24 to 27, line from 24 to 27th line, and run it. For running it, what you have to do? For running any of the code, you have to click there and click on this run button. Anywhere on that code, you take your cursor and just click on run, it will run. So when I have to run these 4 liners, I'll click come here and run. Can you see now I have key also, matrix also, terms also, docs also, every file I am having. Now I want to see what key is. So go line number 28 and click there and then run. It will give you all the keywords which you are having in this data. So end is coming 209 times, the is coming 167 times, O's was coming 13 times, 4 was coming this, food, very. If you want to see top 10, the function we are using in R called head. Head function we are using for top. So head key, they will show you top 6 by default. So run this code head key, they will give you top 6. If you want to know top 20, so head key comma 20. So this will give you top 20 keyword. Then if you want to know the lowest one, bottom 6, so option you have to use called tail key, because key is my file name, final output file name. So key, run this, it will give you the last one. So these are the word which I am getting. Then if you want to know last bottom 20, so click 20, tail 20, it will give you bottom 20. So that's how. So my final output, you remember this, my final output file is nothing but key, and you run it and this I am getting. But when I am seeing key, just be with me and try to understand what is this. I got very generic content. In case of key, I am getting very generic content which is applicable to any of the data, right? And the, was, for, how it's related to hotel industry, right? So when you will do this analysis and run this code, I got what? I got all the generic keyword which is applicable for any of the industry, not related to, and that is very much common also record, because when you are talking something, these are the frequently keyword which is coming, which we call stop words or common words which is coming in. So first what I need to do, I need to clean those data. I need a specific keyword related to hospitality or hotel industry. For that what I need to do, I need to clean the data. To cleaning the data, what I need to do, there are certain, and there snowball C come into the picture. Here TM helped me in doing this term document matrix and creation of docs. Now snowball C come into the picture, which will help me in cleaning the data. So simple, cleaning the data, but now what I am changing, the whatever change I will make now, I will make those changes in docs file. So what I am doing in docs, which is my corpus, I will make tm map docs content transformer to lower. So why I am converting into lower, that I will tell you. For example, you got two words. One is called capital HIM, him. One is called small h, small I, small m. Then one is all capital, H capital, I capital, M capital. These are the three words. These are the three same words, right? But R will consider these are different words. Why? Because R is case sensitive platform. So what do you do? I am always call R as an environment or platform rather than a software, because it works like an environment. So R will identify these three as three keywords. So what I'll do for safer side, what I am doing, I am just converting and transforming all the data into lowercase. So I am just running docs, tm map, docs, content transform to lower, just run it. They will give you some warning because they are making some changes into the corpus. Just be with it, not to worry. Some warning is coming, it is not the problematic thing. Not docs, TM map, doc remove numbers. Numbers is not my cup of tea. I want to explore some of the need which will be qualitative data. But sometimes they are taking 10 days, 20 days, 20 rupees. So these 20, 10 is not my cup of tea. I have to remove that. So I am using the function called docs is equal to TM map docs remove numbers and run this. Again some warning will come. Then there is option coming in, remove words, stop words of the English. Stop words means common words of the English. This, is, a, will, shall, are, am. These are the common words of English which I don't want, because that will not be specific to particular phenomena. That is applicable to all phenomena. As I need to get the specific keyword related to my phenomena, I should remove that. That's why I am running the line number 40 in my case and run it. They will come up with certain warning. I will not describe, I will discuss this line number 42 later on, how to do it. Now I have to remove punctuation, so I will go to line number 44 and I will remove the punctuation from this. Now my data is cleaned. Now whatever I will get a specific to my context which I want to explore. Now we have to run the text mining code again. So I will go here, term to key and run it and check on key. Can you see now? Whatever keyword is coming, we need to run key. Now these words are related. Can you see? Food, good, resort, staff, stay, water, which is related to hotel industry or hospitality industry, rather than previously I was getting is the. But still some word is coming, right, which is not making any sense to you, like great, or you can see good. Good is an adjective. It's not making any sense here. Or you talk about one. One is not making any sense. So for example, great and one is not making sense for you. So use those words, go to line number 42, use those specific which you want to remove. So you go there and you have to remove call, I want to remove the keyword called good. So I am typing good here. Blah blah 1 means a specific keyword which you want to remove. Second, I want to remove well, which is not making any sense for me, but I want to remove it. If you want to remove third word, put comma, then apostrophe starts, and then we will type 1. 1 is also want to delete. So I have to run this code and done. Now this has deleted from corpus, so you have to run this code again. Run this code and see, now good will not be there. Can you see food is there, good is gone now. So these are the specific keyword which I got. If you want to see top 10 now, just run again, you will get top 10. Now I got my keyword which was very difficult to do manually. Now in some clicks I got those specific keyword here. Now what I need to do? I need to save this result, because this is there in my R environment. I want to work offline now. So what I can do? I can save it. How I can save it? The code I am using, how to save this data, write.csv. What is my output file name? Key. Which name you want to give to that save file? Text.csv, and I am putting row name false, and just run it. When you will run this code, it will save somewhere. It's coming, right? But where it's coming? So to know that where his file got saved, you just write a code called getwd, first bracket start, first bracket close. Getwd, first bracket start, first bracket close. When I am running getwd, what they are saying? Users MLT document. So its file has been saved in document. I will go to document. Can you see there is a text file, text.csv we have saved today, 16th of July, and this is the date. I am running it, and can you see same data I am having here in my CSV format, which I can start working. So this is the way to save your data in your system from the process. Now if you want to create word cloud of it out of the keyword which you got, just select this code. Now third software and fourth package, third package and fourth package will come into the picture, which is nothing but word cloud and R-Color Brewer. So I'll select this, set it to this. So I want to create key me. When you put $sign means it will indicate the word. Frequency may frequency say minimum frequency I have keep 1. Minimum word maximum words I am taking 200. Random order false, and rotation and color diagram is 8 and dark 2. Just select this and run it. What will happen? In your output, this fourth quadrant, you will get, okay, set sheet was not there, I need to run again. So when I run it, it will give me word cloud. Can you see? I got the word cloud of different keyword which is there in my output file. How it helps? It tells me the size and centrality talk that most of the people are talking about: food, resort, stay, staff, beautiful beach, water services, hotel, amazing villa, great experience. So these are the different keywords which people are talking about again and again. If you want to know which are the out of this term, which are the term having lower frequency 4 means which are coming at least 4 times. So you can run this next code. So understand this, you are getting beautiful picture which you can export. Go to export, either you can copy to clipboard and you can paste anywhere. You can check the width and depth. You can also work on this. Width I want 1000, height I want 600. So you can set this, and then you can copy the plot like this. So you can work like this. If you want to save as image, click on save as image. If you want to save as PDF, you click here in export save as PDF. That's how you will able to get it. Now if you want to know which are the keywords which is having lowest frequency 4, then you click here and run this code. You will get these are the keywords which are giving this. So this is the process of text mining. Now this is not the ultimate solution. We are only got, and R helped me, or R Studio helped me in getting specific keyword in my data which is coming again and again. So their specific keyword which is there in my data set and their frequency, and this result I got in my Excel sheet which is there. Now your job starts from here. So till the time machine did it. And why we use RStudio? Because now it's very easy for me. When you will do it manually, it will take time, effort, resources, and sometimes it's chances that you will forget something. Again I will repeat the process and then I will go for it. When you have to explore the customer need, first you have to, what you have to do? You have to go to the market. You arrange some of the method of qualitative data collection, be it focus group discussion, interview, observation method, ethnography method, or you use observation method. You can also go with online reviews. You can go for critical incident technique. So use different method and you collect the responses. The only thing you have to take care, this data I want to in text format. But if you are not the option to put into the text format, you will definitely record it either in audio form and video form. So when your data is in audio and video form, first you need to convert into the text. So sometimes you will get ready-madely text, like in case of online reviews, in case of critical incident technique, in case of ethnography, you will ready-madely get it. But in case of FGD, you will get recording. In case of interview, you will get the recording. So we understood the process. First you have to convert into the transcript. Sometimes you are getting text data also, but you have different question, right? Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and you want to analyze this separately. So you need separate transcript for it. In that case, what you need to do, you have to create the transcript, and this process is called transcription. I have told you, go to Microsoft Word. There are certain software are also available, which is free software that you also can use. But you can go to MS Word, Microsoft Word, and I have told you there is dictate option. Go to transcribe, upload your data, and it gets transcribed. When transcribe is ready, put into Excel format, upload the data. I have shared that code with you. Just use that code to create first corpus. Then from corpus we'll create matrix. Then out matrix we'll convert the table with 2 column, keyword column and word column. And when you will do it, you will get the noisy data or noisy result, where A is coming, the is coming, N is coming, was is coming, M is coming. And you understand it's not my cup of tea. It's not related to a specific phenomenon which I want to explore. Then what you will do? You will clean the data. And I have shared some of the codes with you, where first you convert into lowercase, you remove the numbers, you will remove the stop words of the English, you will remove punctuation, you will remove a specific keyword also which you think is not making sense for me. And that's how you will clean the data, run the text mining code again, and you will get the specific to your context call that we got in my case. Once you are getting this specific code, then these are the specific keyword I get. You can also create word cloud, and you can put to, it's a visualization of the keyword which you are getting. That's how, and you can also check that which are the keywords coming at least 4 times or 5 times my data set, and that you can use it. So this is the process of getting the keyword. Now this is the keyword. This is not the customer need. And customer need, can you see how marketer can satisfy any of the marketer can satisfy 98 keywords or 98 needs, and some of the needs will be similar. So what you need do as a marketer from now you have to identify the similar keyword and you put into one box, and you will say, okay, these are the themes. So from these keyword we need to generate themes, and these themes will be applicable that, okay, these are the specific broad customer needs which I need to satisfy. I'll do this process here. When you are getting this output file, in form of Excel that we got, now we have to create the different bag, or you can say you have to group it. So what people are, how people are doing, you can sit with your 2 friends or 3 friends or 3 experts, you do it separately, you create different grouping, and then you discuss. Okay, sometimes there will be mismatch. Someone put this specific keyword in another group, someone put in another group. So accordingly, there will be mismatch. You discuss, and in the end of the day, you finalize that which keyword is coming in a specific group. I am doing this process for you, so you will understand this process. For example, first keyword is food. So food I am writing here. Now resort is the second keyword, which is not related to food. You need to identify different type of keyword. Resort is related to food, not food. Staff is not related to this, so I am putting staff. Then stay is not related to anything. This is a nothing but experience. Water is type of amenities which people are, and resort is also amenity for according to me. Or some people might think, okay, food and water can come here, right? Water is the part of this which you will consume. Then hotel is coming. Hotel and resort one in the same thing, so I am putting hotel here because it's related to that. So I am putting hotel here. Now great is not my cup of tea, right? Here I am finding, okay, great is not coming anywhere. Great is not related to me, so I will not consider that. I will go to the next keyword, which is villa. Villa, where we will put? Villa, resort, hotel, these are all infrastructure we are having. Stay is experience, so I am putting as experience. Again I am telling you, this is very subjective call which we are making. Your grouping can be different from my grouping. Then you sit with 2-3 people, do it separately, then come together, do some discussion that why, what was the logic, because I have my own logic, you can have your own logic. So sit together till the time you are not finding the consensus, do this iteration as many times as you need to do. So experience I am putting here, experience. Then amazing is also experience. Then place is nothing but it's very much different because it's related to location. Beautiful is again keywords. I will not take service is very much different, or you can put that also it's experience. Either you can put experience or you can understand okay, service is very much different. Call is or your what you want to do. Beaches, again beaches are there. Is this related to location, place, right? It's close to beach or not close to beach. Then Indian, it's not coming anywhere. Island in again location. So for the safer side, I will delete these. So we can do it easily. So I am clearing those content. And I will take these keywords upwards, so it will be easy for me to do that. I'll make you understand how to do it. So beach is done, Indian not, island done, excellent. Again it come anywhere, it could be experience, it could be sports is a facility, right? Sports is a facility which is coming here, sports, villa, resort, these are the facility we are having. Activities, hospitality is experience, so I'll put hospitality into experience. Again and again I am telling you, this is very subjective. Awesome also experience. Nice also. Restaurant is related to food, so I am putting here. Like room is very much different, which is related to interior. Then friendly is experience, everything. Will also host, overall. Host is not coming anywhere. Host is coming here. Host is related to people or staff, so I am putting host here, which is very much different. Then rooms, again room and rooms are same thing. Property will come under what? It is nothing but facility which we are having, so I am putting it here. Then clean is related to either property or mostly it's come under rooms. Your rooms are clean or not. Then you talk about, you go time is how much time it's take to reach, so it talks about location, ki how much location is working, so like I am putting it here, ki how much time or convenient it is, it's how much far is from airport or it's far from specific places. View View is again related to location. It's sea view is view or what view. Kids pool is again it's what? It's related to facility. Then you talk about spa, it's also facility. It's coming under Maldives. We will definitely will not come anywhere. Really ambience definitely is come under this all ambience which we are having. So family, and you sometimes you are calculating their frequency also, that will give you the importance. You can also sometime you can put here frequency, which frequency is coming again. Although my cup of tea is here not to come up with and to validate something, but my objective to explore something, so I am exploring it. So stay is there, enjoyed, helpful. Lagoon is related to again the place or location where they want to have. Host is people, right? So I can put as host in staff rather than creating another row for this. Location is coming here, so I'll put location. Airport is coming, sorry, for before that I have maintenance. So maintain will come either in amenities or it come under room, ki how they have maintained it. Then your call where you are taking airport will come under location, because how location this is, it's close to what place. Then amenities we have kept. Care is related to staff, ki how care they are taking care of you. Dinner is related to food, so I am putting it here. Then location is coming here, that where your location is. So you have to do this process, and again I am telling you this is very subjective, and you can take a call ki at least which keyword is coming 8 times or 7 times, depends on that ki how many keywords you are having. Generally we are taking ki at least you must have 100 to 200 keywords for creating this grouping. So you can concretely set that which words are coming in. So billas, again Billa will come under this call amenities, that is already there. Trip, option, waiter, courteous is related to staff, how their behavior is. And spa I have told you spa is related to, we have already talked about this, is related to this call. Thanks. Bar and buffet is related to food. And then help is related to staff. So that's how I have created different. Now important thing, I have created different group. Again and again I am telling you, this is very much subjective process. You do 3 people, 4 people separately, come together, come on consciousness, because this is subjective call, right? According to your view, what is happening, and once you are getting it, just show to the expert also. Is it making sense? And after that we can contact. Now you have to give the name to it. So for this I am giving a name called food. For this I am giving a name called properties or amenities. Amenities. For this I am giving the name called staff or people. So you can give the name called staff people. This is nothing but customer experience. What is the customer experience? This is nothing but related to location, whatever location is, and this is nothing but related to what you can say interior or room, whatever you can talk about. This is nothing but to interior. So as my understanding, this data told us there are 6 things which customers are looking for when they are booking any of the hotel. They are looking for food, infrastructure or amenities, staff behavior, experience, what experience they will get, location, and interiors, room was clean or not, maintained or not, beds are there or not, size is there or not. And that's how I explore ki hospitality industry or hotel industry, customers are looking for these 6 factors or these 6 variable or these 6 things. If I will work upon, customer will definitely will be very much happy. I'll give you the example, practical example. Ki now brands have started doing it. I'll go and I'll take you to one of the website. Definitely, you can go to any of the review website. I am taking you to GoIbibo, one of the website which I am talking about. I am not promoting any of the website. Just I am, for the example, I am saying you that how brands are started using it. So this is the website. I go to the hotel. I go to any specific hotel on any of the place. For example, I go to this hotel. When I am going to the hotel, can you see the guest reviews? So you go to any of the there your guest reviews. What they did? They also do text mining. Can you see? Room, staff, stay, nice location, then this. And if you want to see, for example, I want to now know key for pool view rooms, what is the feedback? Just click on only on this and then get the reviews. They will say that reviews are 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 5 out of 10. Accordingly, you can get that which type of reviews where people talk about pool view, people talk about pool view, people talk about pool view, and that's how you will able to get it. The same process they are doing to summarize this. I am not promoting. You will get in this same thing on Yatra or any of the aggregator which is their Clear Trip or you Make My Trip. You go to anywhere, you will get the same thing they are started creating. All e-commerce platforms started doing it because my objective was exploring the need, and that's how I had explored my need, which is customers are looking for food, amenities, staff, experience when they are going for what? When they are going for selecting a specific hotel. That's how we have explored the need. Again, I am repeating, the process is very much important. That's why again I am repeating. First, you have to select the method to collect the data. It could be focus group discussion, it could be interview, it could be ethnography, ethnography, it could be observation method, it could be critical incident technique, it could be online reviews, or it could be word association, sentence completion, or any of the qualitative method you can use to collect the data. Only thing you have to take care, either you should get the text data or you must record it. If recording is not possible, you just note it. In noting, you will get the text data, right? But if you are getting the recording, which is very much common in case of focus group discussion and interview, you have to convert into the text, and this process is called transcription. We understood the process. There are different software to do it. You can do it manually also. But better option, you go to Microsoft Word. Again, I am not promoting any of the platform. It's only that it's a platform which you can use to convert it. I have demonstrated that how you can upload the data, get the transcription done, then put into the Excel sheet. Then you have to upload the data on R and R Studio. Then I have shared some codes with you, where first you will create the corpus, when you will do the text mining code, and then you will get the result. The result file will have different noises because the common word will come. So we'll clean the data. For cleaning the data, we will use snowball shape packages, whereas you will remove the number, you will make into the lower case because R is case sensitive. Then you will remove a specific word, you will remove stop words of the English, you will remove punctuation, and then your data will be clean. Once your data will clean, you just save it, come into the Excel format, and now subjectively, this is very subjective call. You have to sit together, 2 to 3 people, do it separately, this grouping separately, and then come and say, is there match or not? If there is mismatch, you discuss with them why there is mismatch. What is the reason for it? They will give certain reason to you, and once you all are come on the consensus, okay, this will go into this specific group, then you have to come with these themes. This we call themes or needs related to a specific industry. You can also create word cloud for that, for visualization purpose, and that's how we are getting the customer needs. And this is the process to exploring customer need in any of the context we understand. So this week we understood how to explore customer need. That we understand in this week. Next week we'll understand on the basis of these needs, and I will tell you why I explored the need. On the basis of these needs, how to segment the market. What are the criteria for segmentation, how we can go for segmentation, how to target those segments, and how to position your product. That we'll understand next week. Meanwhile, I'll share sample data also with you. Codes I will share with you. This result I will share with you. So you do the analysis on the separate sample data set which I will share with you, and you will submit in the form of assignment or in form of submission. That we will announce that how to submit those specific submission to us and how to share those specific submission to us. That will be announced later. And you will also get this codes. I will share this code. I will also share this PPT with you. So you can do by yourself, and if you will able to do hands-on, definitely it will be easy for you. If you have any specific question in the exploring need process, please put in Q&A section. We'll try our best to respond on your queries. Once again, thank you very much for the part of this course. We will do all the things with hands-on. So we'll do hands-on practices like this. You will understand the process. So next time when you will get your data, you can do it very easily. Thank you for your attention. Next week we will understand segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Thank you. Thank you very much.